Okay, maybe a couple suggestions to help a translator. Um, First thing you could do, and each student can do this on their own course, is come down at the bottom and change the overall Schoology language to Spanish. I don't know, how helpful it's going to change kind of the things that Schoology creates um, to Spanish, but any of the content that teachers have created, so on their options and stuff, that those will all be in Spanish, but any of the content teachers create will still be in English. So helps a little, but again, not ideal. To answer a couple of your questions, the first one, if you are going to do assignments, and most of us, I would assume, are using Google Assignments, and when the student opens their assignment, so this would be the assignment that I've given them, and then they can just go ahead and use the Google Translate function on there and make a copy in Spanish. So that's a pretty simple fix for Google assignments. For PDFs, a little bit, it's an extra step, but first thing I would have them do is open up their Google Drive. So now they've got their Google Drive open, and try to find a PDF example here. So let's say I think my syllabus is a PDF. Yeah, so here's a syllabus. They open it, and then they can download it. But instead of going through and having to retype, right? So now they've opened up this PDF, and in English, they can then just go over to their drive, and when you click on New, you can upload that file now. So in my downloads, there's my last download. There's that syllabus. So then they can hit open, and they'll see it uploading to their Google Drive. Once that's complete, they can just click on it right there, and then just go up here. It shows it, and they can just open with a Google Doc. And then that Google Doc will take that PDF and turn it into a Google Doc, and now you can, let's see here, hopefully translate. And in theory, it should work. So then there's my translated PDF now. So saves a little bit of time. The formatting sometimes will maybe be a little bit off, but at least gives you an option. That's the best I know how to help. Hope it helps.